Hi everyone, welcome to Connector Technologies. Today I'm going to explain one of the important interview question. So which I got this question recently in our PwC. So is it possible to create a payable transaction directly in the GL model? Or is the same question he may ask? Is it possible to create journal entry related to the subledger models like payables directly in the GL model? So that I'm going to explain whether it is possible or not. Okay, let's go and have a look on it. So once we log in into the application, okay, so yes, we have an option to create the direct any subledger related transaction in the GL model. It could be AP or a PPM, any project accounting model, or else any adjustment entry for costing or a PPM, or else AR model or AP model, anything. So we have an options to create subledger entry directly in the AP model. So go to general accounting, click on journals. So I'll show you where we can create it. Go to task pane. So if you come down, so just do it. So you see here, we have a create subledger journal. Okay. So by using this particular option, we have an options to create journal entry. Let me show you. This is the option. So in the subledger section, okay, so here we have an option create subledger journal entry. So by using this particular option, we can able to create it. So let's go and see how it will be there. Just click on create subledger journal. So if you see here, so this is the page where we can create the subledger journal entry. I mean to say that AP entry directly in our GL model. So okay, so create subledger journal entry. So select the our ledger. This is our primary ledger. Select the source, payables. Okay. So accounting date category. So let's assume some adjustment entry so that you can select here. Okay. So status will do the later. So if you have a legal entity and all, you can select here if you want. Now just click on add here. So select the appropriate entry, the combination, whatever you feel. So let's entry some adjustment you can select. So I'm just selecting this sum randomly. Models office rent. Click on OK. Select the category. So we can select accounting class. Let's take prepaid expenses. Okay. So this is also you can change it to prepaid expenses. So you can select anything. I mean, based on the requirement, user will pass usually here. Okay. So enter your debit amount, 10,000 USD. Then you can add our second line. Select cash or a bank. So let's take HDFC Bank. Okay. So if you want, you can the description here also. Now change the status to complete. I mean to say final. Click on save. So if it is For this respect to source general approval is there, we have to submit for approval and we can post it. So we have an option to create the ep related subledger journal entries directly in our gl model. Yes, we have option by using the create subledger journal entry, the gl option, so you can post it. Okay, so this is the way we can create the subledger journal entries. It could be APA or PPO, whatever it may be. Any adjustment entries or any direct entries if you want to pass in the GL model related to subledger. Yes, we have an options. We can create it. Okay. Yeah, I hope I enjoyed very clearly. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching Connect Through Technologies YouTube channel related Oracle Fusion videos. So I request you everyone, please subscribe Connector Technologies for more quality education videos. Please support us. Have a good day. Thank you.